Lean culture is about more than just tools and events. It's about developing a problem-solving mindset and habit within your organization. The Improvement Kata is a structured approach to problem-solving and continuous improvement. It consists of 4 key steps. 1. Understand the direction and set a challenge. 2. Grasp the current condition. 3. Set a target condition. 4. Conduct PDCA experiments to move towards the target. The Coaching Kata is a powerful tool to develop this problem-solving habit. It centers around 5 key questions a coach would ask their mentee. 1. What is the target condition? 2. What is the actual condition now? 3. What obstacles are preventing you from reaching the target? 4. What is your next step, and what do you expect to happen? 5. When can we go and see what we've learned? This approach is fundamentally different from traditional Kaizen. Instead of just implementing solutions, it develops a problem-solving mindset and habit. When problem-solving becomes a daily habit, you'll truly have a culture of daily Kaizen.